How to fix this Instagram song is currently unavailable. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix this Instagram song is currently unavailable while you're trying to choose a song. Now, there are various ways to solve this error that says this song is currently unavailable on Instagram. Now the first thing is check your internet connection. Now make sure you are connected to this stronger internet connection, and once you do it, head over to your app store or play store and search for Instagram app and check for if any updates is available. It might just be that the song is currently unavailable in your region, so you might want to update and check if any update is available, and after the update it might be available. However, if this doesn't help, then what you want to do is change your region to where that particular Instagram music is available. Now to do so, what you want to do is head over to App Store or Play Store and search for VPN, and then download and install a particular VPN. Now I've downloaded this Turbo VPN, it's free to use, so I've just downloaded it. What you want to do is download and install it and open this up, and once you open this, what you want to do is tap to connect. Now if you tap to connect, then it will just connect to random network. However, if you want to choose a specific region, what you want to do is tap on the little circle icon that you can see just beside the crown icon on the top right corner of the screen, and here you can choose a particular country. Now if you are on Asia and it says the song is currently unavailable, then it might just be available in some other places. Now you might try switching to Canada or United Kingdom or United States. I'll just choose United States. You can see the free ones here. You can see the crown ones are the premium ones. You can always purchase premium if you want, but you can just go with the free ones too. Now it might take some time to connect the free ones, or it might say the server is busy. You might just want to retry it again. Now you can see it's trying to connect. You can see that my VPN has been connected, and once you do this, you can head over to your Instagram app again, and once you head into Instagram, you can head and choose the song and it should be available. And if it still says the song is currently unavailable, then what you want to do is reset the app. Now to reset the app, what you want to do is scroll down below and head into settings, and on settings head into apps, and on apps head into Instagram, and on Instagram head into stories. And once on storage, what you want to do is clear your data. You can see clear data option, and once you do this, it should fix the issue. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.